Let's just jump right into this video. I will be sharing with you one of my top favorite wash and go combinations of 2019. This is just one of my favorites overall. I lean towards these products when I feel like my curls is just not acting like I want them to. I always can rely on this line of products to get my curls right back to where I want them to be. So I have already shampooed my hair with Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine shampoo, which looks like this. I love this shampoo. It always nourishes my curls. I love it. So after shampooing my hair, I did follow that up with Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. Y'all have seen me use this before in several of my wash and go videos, but this is another mask that I truly love to use. It gives my hair a lot of moisture and it makes my curls pop. This is definitely one of my go-to products. So like I told you all, my hair was pretty dry and I wanted to make sure that I add a lot of moisture to my hair. So after rinsing out my mask with cold water, I did go in with Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. Now when I use this conditioner, this is one of my holy grail products. When I use this conditioner, I always rinse it out with cold water and I tend to leave just a little bit of this product in my hair. I just love how this conditioner feels in my hair and it makes my curls look really, really healthy. So now that I got all of the products out of the way that I've used in the shower, let's get into styling my hair. So to keep my hair nice and moisturized, I did leave the plastic cap on underneath of my scarf like this. But this is just my hair after I've washed, deep conditioned, and all of that jazz. It is detangled. My hair just feels so good. It has been a while since I've washed my hair since I wasn't feeling well, but it's just the little things that mean so much. Although I'm recreating this as one of my favorite wash and go combinations, I don't care how often you use the same products, your wash and go will never turn out the same way. I know that my hair is going to turn out good because like I said, I always can rely on these products to give me a good wash and go. So now that my hair is completely sectioned off, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle as usual and wet this entire section. My hair is pretty much still damp because I had the plastic cap on underneath my towel. But the first product that I'm going to apply to my hair is Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is another product that you all have seen me use several times before. So I'm going to apply this to this entire section in the back. So after applying my leave-in, I normally just go in and detangle my hair. It should already be detangled because I did this basically in the shower, but I just like to go through to make sure that I don't have any extra snags or anything in my hair before I start adding any of my stylers. So the next product I'm going to put on top of the leave-in conditioner is Shea Moisture's Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Now y'all have heard me talk about this smoothie. This whole line you all have heard me talk about several times before. So yeah, I'm going to apply this right over top of the leave-in conditioner. So for those of you all that are not familiar with Shea Moisture's Coconut Curl and Hibiscus line, I absolutely love it. But this is the curl smoothie. It is very thick and you do not need a lot of this product. You will see a lot of whiteness. Now it will dry clear, don't worry about that, but I just wanted to put that out there because it kind of frightened me when I first applied these products to my hair together. I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is going to be so white, but that is not the case. Well, for me, I have never had that experience. It always dry clear, but I just wanted to put that out there. So I'm just raking the curl enhancing smoothie on top of the leave-in conditioner all the way through this entire section like so, making sure that I touch the ends of my hair so that my hair is getting nice and moisturized. So after applying the leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture and their curl enhancing smoothie, I'm going to actually go on top of that and add my favorite eco styler. This is the one with argan oil. So I'm going to apply this on top of those products as well. So like I said, it has been a while since I've done this combination and I feel like it's been so long since I add this many products to my hair for a wash and go. So I'm just raking the gel through my hair and I'm going to end that with the prayer hands method. It already looked good. It already looked good. Look at that. Look at that. Let me just add just a little bit more gel. Just a little bit more gel. I'm pumped. I'm pumped up. So I'm going to do the same thing to the next section. Yeah. And of course, I'm going to have to separate this one in the front as well. I just didn't bring that many clips downstairs, so, you know, we just going to do what we do. I'm just applying water to the section because my hair is drying up pretty fast. So first we got the leave-in conditioner. Detangle. curl enhancing smoothie. And then some Eco. I just love it. Don't pay me no attention, y'all. I'm sorry. It has truly been a rough start to the new year for me. I'm going to continue those steps to the other sections of my hair. So y'all don't know, I am really struggling over here because these nails I have had on way before Christmas and they are killing me. I actually have a nail appointment today. I cannot wait to go. So guess what? Since it's a new year, y'all know that I'm not a fan of doing the middle part, but this is what we're doing today. So I'm giving you all a middle part for this wash and go. But most of the time my hair just go in whatever direction it want to go in, and normally it's to this side or that side. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Better because earlier
I was tired. I was sleepy. I was trying to sing, but just wasn't coming out. You know, my Whitney Houston voice. Okay, so I'm finished applying. It's the birthday girl. Come on, because you just want to be seen. My baby just got home from school. Look, she got her little birthday sash on. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Oh, baby. She 13, y'all. She off the clock. Make sure y'all tell my baby happy birthday down in the comment section below. I'll be with you in 1 second. All right, I'm finished applying all the products and I'm just going to let it air dry. As you all can see, the curls is popping and I just love this wash and go combination. So I will come back to you all once my hair is completely dry. Yes, she is about to have me run out in the street with my hair soaking wet after I'm just getting rid of a cold, after I'm just getting rid of food poisoning, but I have to run outside. So hopefully all of these electrolytes I've been taking will come into play, but I will see you all shortly. And we're back. So here is my hair. This is what my hair looks like when it's completely dry. I didn't pluck it out. I didn't add no oils. I didn't do anything to it. This is just my hair in its natural state after adding those products to my hair. So I'm gonna give you a 360. So I was going through the comments in the comment section under a few of my videos, and a lot of you all have asked me why don't I stretch my curls out after I complete my wash and goes. So truthfully and honest, I always forget to do it, but that's something that I don't like to do most of the time because y'all know I'm lazy when it comes down to doing my hair. So don't be asking me to add no extra steps, but I'll link a video here on how I would stretch my curls out if I did decide to stretch my curls out. It'll be linked here. I recorded it a while ago, but the reason why I don't stretch my curls out after doing my wash and go is because I actually love the length of my hair. Once my curls shrink up, I love it off of my shoulders. So I like this length. That's why I don't stretch my curls out, but since a lot of you all is asking, I will go and stretch my curls out, and I'll be right back to show you all what my hair would look like if it was stretched. So this is my hair currently, just letting it air dry after applying the products, and it looks really good. I would just honestly wear it like this. I could pluck it out a little bit because I see one side is a little flatter than the other, the way it dries. I don't know why my hair dry like that. Pluck it out a little bit with the pick, but other than that, I would just leave it just like this. So I'm gonna go and stretch my curls, and I'll be right back to show you all what my hair would look like if I had stretched my curls. So I'm back. This is what my hair looks like once I'm finished stretching it, and I didn't go all the way in, so I'm gonna give you all a 360. Let me know in the comment section below if you notice anything different. Do you like my hair stretched out versus me just wearing my curls so nice and tightly? But I really like how my hair feels. It actually feels nice and soft. I might be doing this more often to my wash and goes, but oh, look at that. Lot of body, lot of bounce. Okay, all right. But thank you all so much for joining me for my first wash and go of 2020, and I will see you all in about 72 hours. Yeah, 72 hours.